Today I'm making Coq Au Vin with a recipe that's by this guy here. It says making Julia Child's Coq Au Vin recipe, Sam the cooking guy. And so we have all the ingredients lined up. I added carrots because Beth likes carrots, and I have lots of bacon because we love bacon. This is probably about twice the amount of chicken that we would normally use for the recipe, but we got a whole chicken and had the butcher cut it up, so that was much better. We got something that looks like cremini mushrooms, but it's not cremini mushrooms. We got some frozen pearl onions, but they call them small onions or something like that. You can find them there, and you can add them frozen or not. And then here I'm cooking with Beth also.
Hello. I'm excited to taste this delicious meal. We have had it at a place called Chez Mimi in Santa Monica, but now Imad decided he wanted to take the challenge to make his own version. Okay, what are you going to start with?
I'm going to start with coconut oil. I put a couple of little, a tablespoon in here.
And the neat thing is we're using a Le Creuset pot, thanks to Mary and Dennis.
And this is Julia Child puts a couple of a little bit of oil before she puts the bacon, even though the bacon itself is good enough. And then we're going to put it in here and brown it. And it looks and smells really good, as bacon always does. And I'm going to take out the bacon, and I'm going to leave the bacon fat in there for flavoring. We'll be ready for the next step.
Everything tastes good with bacon.
Okay, now I'm going to add a chicken, a whole chicken. Usually it just calls for chicken thighs and chicken legs, but his recipe calls for 3 of each, but we cut up a whole chicken. And so we proportionately added a little bit more of all the ingredients.
And the skin
side down, and then we'll turn it over.
The hot bacon grease, or yeah, the leftover grease.
That the chicken absorbs the bacon. Look how nice and golden brown that is.
Oh, I caught him eating a piece of bacon.
How anybody can resist the bacon? Okay, I've turned off the heat, and according to the recipe, it says add cognac or brandy. The guy doesn't say. He doesn't say how much. So we're gonna add plenty. Okay.
Plenty.
We're gonna set it on fire.
I think that's about it. Okay. Be extremely careful.
Okay, it's lit.
Oh, oh boy. Doesn't look lit, but it is. It could be also the cognac, hopefully.
Danger, Will Robinson.
Some thyme?
Yeah, I'm going to add about this much in there.
Thyme
and Beth got me some bay leaves. Where did you get these bay leaves from, sweetie?
Those bay leaves are from the bay. They're actually from the Redwood Regional Forest.
Right. We went on a hike one time.
Yes.
Was it Huckleberry Trail? That's right, as far as I remember your favorite trail.
No. Oh yeah, Huckleberry, yes.
Okay, let's add those in there. Well, we're going to add pearl onions. According to the recipe, it said add 20. But Beth wants to add like 300, so let's do that.
We got these frozen at Bristol Farms because it's probably hard to find, and it's better to get the frozen kind, otherwise you have to peel them, and that's kind of time consuming.
We'll add some carrots, yes.
Carrots along with the onions, and then cover it and simmer for 10 minutes.
One of the things to put away is this thyme. And hey, there's a space for every time. Look at that. Okay. When we flip them over so that we don't have white showing on the chicken, we flip it over and we leave it there for 2 more minutes.
The other thing we did is we added some cut breast meat, which the recipe did not call for that, but I like white meat. So
that comes with the whole chicken. I think free range is the best. They did have organic, but organic means it got fed organic stuff. But free chicken, I think it's a little bit less stressed. What do you think? Write in your comments.
Okay.
Didn't have a garlic press, but I remembered my nice knife that I have that I can chop, 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 chop. mince it away.
The bacon.
The bacon.
Not everything is good with bacon.
We're not even reading the recipe on the quantities. Add whatever flavor you want in there. That's my general rule.
Now we're adding 2 cups of wine.
In the end, you're supposed to have enough to cover everything. Okay? So we want to have a little bit of wine left over to drink. It's all drowning in this wonderful flavors. We're gonna leave it here for 25 minutes under simmering. Beth likes a little bit of salt. She tasted it, said not enough salt. We gotta go for the salt we like.
Yeah, I think that's good. We're adding probably more mushrooms than the recipe called, but we love our mushrooms, so we're putting a lot of mushrooms. Chicken goes back.
We are finished. Je suis fini. And the color is wonderful. Okay. And the chicken is falling right off the skin, right off the bone. Okay, let's try it out. We got some bacon. We got some little piece here. Mmm. It's so good. It's just as good as the French restaurant at 1/10 the price. Made at home. Voila! Bon appetit!
Mashed cauliflower instead of mashed potatoes. Just to save some calories. A little healthier, especially after all that bacon and... But anyway, congratulations on your first...
Coq Au Vin.
Coq Au Vin.
Enjoy!
I can't wait to try it.